Oh, dude. There's really nothing happening right now. I'm gonna be honest, this is just way too crazy. Also, I don't even think the server is full yet, too. Like, I think there's only like... I don't even know. I don't even know if the server's full. Oh, Blue, yeah! You're my twin, bro. You're my twin. Okay. Hello, hello. Dude, there's a mob. Oh! Oh! Wait, how does that guy keep getting murdered? Wait, run from him. Run, 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 run.